So this is going to be like a miniature vlog about Cambridge's practice day. They're doing petrol and stuff in the background. Hello! But yeah, it's fun. But wet, very wet. It's been raining all night. And Sam's tired.
Thank you.
I don't know, down there somewhere.
Look at all the stunning cars. Oh, that's a nice too. Love 99.
This is a nice place.
Very nice place.
Made it! Okay, so basically this is like a practice day at Cambridge. I'm just getting my wellies on. But yeah, so basically everyone unloads their cars first, gets everything that they need, and then, hang on, let me show you the track. So obviously it rained all last night, so the track here is a little bit wetter than usual. Can I have Sammy? Yeah. I'll put it up here. Cute. But yeah, so we just get everything out the back, like tools and fuel, oil. I can hear Sharron talking to the dog. And everything else, and then you get your overalls on, and yeah, you just go stand in a wet field all day watching cars. So I just wanted to sort of bring you along and show you what it's like. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. I really like racing, and it's nice to be like, this is the first race that's come this year because of obviously like COVID and everything. But yeah, enjoy. I was gonna say, don't shit in it. You're so cute. He's like, no, I'm not appreciating it.
Get a camera on it. We're just like low.
I don't know, we'll find out. But I get to Marshall today with Sharron. On 4.
How does that work? You're not allowed to be with each other.
You are so cute. He's like, I'm not sure. So we just put the cars in the pit. I drove Chris's, even though I'm not racing today. And Sam obviously drove his and his mum's car. But yeah, so this is the pits. Basically everyone parks up here. Well, usually they don't have markings on the floor, but with social distancing they've all got markings on the floor, so everyone's got like a box of where they stay in, which I think is really good that they've done that. And then there's some people lined up here, they're doing scrutineering, so they basically like check the person's brakes, just to see if everything's legal. Anyway, that's good. He's in the 5, class 5, so yeah, he's gonna go, I think, tests or go to scrutineering, so that's cool. And yeah, and then that's the track behind us. The starting line's over here, and then yeah. And then Sam has these adorable pink seat covers, because why would you risk getting your seat all dirty and everything? But yeah, in a sec we're gonna go back, get our overalls on and come back. It's quite funny because when I was driving through the pits it looked like I was like here to race. I haven't done racing before. I have a license and I was going to do it, but I didn't want to go out on my own. I wanted to follow Sharron round on the track, but she didn't want to race today, and then I was a bit like, oh okay fine. So I'm going to Marshall, so we're on post 4, the last post, so I'll try and get a little bit of footage from there because it'd be nice. We are yellows already. Filming on my phone, but what just happened was some I think they were junior specials just like clunked into each other, and it's just really sweet. Like, so we've gone over and like seeing how they are, and they look a little bit shaken up because obviously it was a little bit of a crash and they're not used to it and they're pretty young. So I think juniors is now starts at the age of 10, so that's a pretty young age. But yeah, so the ambulance was called because we have an ambulance on track, just to sort of check them over and see how they are. Obviously Sharron said it does worry like the parents, which yeah, I'd be scared if I saw my like son or daughter heading off in an ambulance. But yeah, they're all fine. They've been checked over and they've just been helped off the track, so they've towed the cars off the track. And we're now, hang on, I'll turn it around. We're now just like smoothing the track out where it happened, because they came across here and then clunked over there. But they both seem alright. They just seem a bit shaken up, bless them. But yeah, so far so good. Marshaling's quite fun. Nice to see some of the cars really close up, so I'll put some footage in and I hope you enjoy it. Oh, we got our flags. We got our flags. So we've just dropped the lorries off and the car off at the farm. That's Sam in the background. I've still got my wellies on. But yeah, there was a few issues with Sam's car.
Don't see the rear shocks somewhere.
Okay, so basically they had some rear shocks that were refreshed over like winter?
Yeah, they've been refreshed, but they're no different. They're worse, pretty much.
Yeah, but then most people use Protex, don't they? And you're using Foxes. Is it Foxes? Foxes still.
That's Fox.
Yeah.
Yeah, Fox.
So Sam was
They're
a bit
not-
disappointed.
They're not adjustable, they're just what they are. They're just gas shocks.
Oh, okay.
Whereas Protex are coilovers. So you've got damping and spring rate. Protex for the win, apparently.
Okay, so I think Sharon's a bit annoyed because obviously she spent quite a lot of money getting them refreshed over the winter. Oh, perfect timing. It's just started chucking it down. So it's good we just got home because luckily it didn't rain the whole time. But yeah, so I think she's just a bit annoyed that she had to spend, well, she didn't have to. They spent all that money to get them refreshed and refurbed for them not to perform as how they wanted to, like last year at the UK. So they're going to get some Protex and hopefully that'll do better. But I had fun marshalling for the first time with Sharron and wearing my overalls, so that was funny. So I bought them off a Mill who yeah, so you should check him out. I'll put his Instagram name like here. It's that boosted Volvo, I think it is. But yeah, definitely make sure to check his Instagram out because he's building some big powered, yeah, literally some fat turbo Volvo thing. Literally just caught it in time. I just thought I'd like show you before we go. Oh God, your tash is so dirty. It's got dirt from the track. That's what's on the ground. You can't really see, but
Dirt from the ground.
it is chucking it down. Go away. So we literally got we got out of there just in time. But I don't think the next meeting's till, when is it? The 6th of September.
Day after our meet.
Oh yeah. So make sure to check out the meet. That is the 5th of September at the 621 Speed Shop in Colchester. So Adam Avell, I'm not very good at saying his name, sorry, has kindly allowed us to use his sort of car parking area. Sam's dropping scissors in the background. So that's lovely. So he'll also be selling his 61 merch on the day. So make sure to bring a little bit of money with you if you want to buy some stuff, because I know he's got some really cool stuff out at the moment. But basically, make sure to check it out. I'll put a link in the comments bit below. So just make sure to check it out. It's all 90s. So loud. It's all 90s Hondas, and then if you want to also bring other cars, they can park in like a different section. But yeah, it'll be lots of fun. And also I'll be revealing my new colour for my car, so that'll be the first time it will be taken out. I'm sorry how loud the rain is in the background. But anyway, I just thought I'd introduce you to Autograss and what it's sort of about. This one obviously was a bit different because usually we don't have to yeah, usually there's a lot more, as I've just said, usually there's a lot more cars, and also usually they're spectators, but it was limited to one person with their driver, so they're classed as like the mechanic, so one with one. So obviously I was Sam's +1 and Sharron was Chris's +1 because those two were the only two racing. I do want to have a go in the future in Chris's one. I'm not ready yet. I wanted to go out with Sharron, but we'll get there. Anyway, enough of me talking. Make sure to check out KSP Cartel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out any updates. There will be a video on Sam's car, so if you want to know anything about Sam's car, there will be a long video. I've just got to sort out all the videos together because I don't even know. There's just so many of them. I've got to sort them out. So I've got to do that, the Slammed UK walk around, and also the reveal of my car. All the new shiny bits and the colour. I'm actually so excited.
You said enough rambling.
I did.